Hello, peoples of the internet that decide to watch me for some weird, wacky reason. I swear, if my cat messes up the balancing act that I have currently here, I am redecorate. I hate with my glasses. The reflection's too bad. Please excuse my appearance. This is me naturally, without the glam, the glitz, the corsets, you know? So we are deep cleaning, and we're also moving around my room. I'll show you some before pictures inserted somewhere, and then I'll show you after pictures, obviously. But while I'm deep cleaning, I'm going through these bins. I found this. It's one of those old cigarette lighters that came in my first ever car, my Mazda Miata. Rest in peace, Crowley. Also finding old Polaroids. See that little emo bean right there? That's me in high school. Crazy. Like I said, you guys, like I said, that was a balancing act that I was trying to achieve. Maybe I'm using a salt shaker. Yes, I did find a pink salt shaker in my room. But yeah. Also talking about my car, my old air freshener doesn't smell anymore, but then I found things that gave me the heebie-jeebies. Yeah. I started reading the back of this, and I started having PTSD flashbacks of being in that museum and wanting to get the F out of there. They literally throw you into the deep end. But I also found but yeah, there's so much lore into that. For the OG people that have seen all the videos, they know. Got a nice little bag here. I think I also had this that was filled with like different candles, and I think if I could find the lid to this container, I'll just put everything in here. And then I'm gonna start moving everything else, like my essential oils I'm gonna put in my cleaning bathroom area. Our ground cumin will be in the kitchen. Yeah. And then I have these I think I'm going to, oh my goodness. Patches. Hold on. Let's look through these. I remember these, and I know for a fact these will be going on my clothes. Sam. Love good Sam. Guys, I will be putting these on some pants. Oh, my favorite one. Wait. So far. Umbrella Academy. Thank you, Gerard. Horror movies. A little rose. I bite, which I do. A heart. A little wing. And I think there's a second wing. And I remember I had this idea that I wanted to put both wings on my ass. So I gotta find some pants where I can put these on my ass. So happy. Oh, and the instructions. Guys, we found this fashion project video coming soon. Let's revamp some of my clothes. But yeah, I have some of these. I stopped using them because my best friend doesn't like the smell of these, but he rarely comes here anymore, so I think I will be using these again. And I think I'm gonna put them in here. If I could find my incense holder and I start lighting these bad boys up. Or I could just fill this up with sand and then, yeah, let's do that. But I'll put those aside. Which one should we start with? Harmony, Beauty, Open Roads. I love a good incense. And then also mems. The mems. Putting mems into mems. And then I have a little pretzel. A golden pretzel. Going in the box. I have some books. Y'all don't need to see those. finish reading those respectfully. So I think this empty tin here, I'm going to make it my crafts box, but I don't want to do crafts, but I think it's the best because, sorry guys, I think our best bet is literally filling this up with crafts because I have a lot of crafting equipment because I'm a creative. So we'll be doing that. I'm gonna fill it up with crafts, and also because of the environment that America is in right now, I won't be throwing this away. I'll be keeping her in case of anything, you know? In case of anything, I'll just be putting her right in there. Emergency box, but yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna put this bag with. Should I put the candle? Cause this candle's way too big. Don't think it's gonna fit. Oh, but I can move everything into this little box actually. Big brain. Big brain. Then we have, I forgot the name of this, is like a raw RHO something stone. It's like a love stone or something. Clearly it's not working for me, but you know. Maybe I need to love myself first, guys. Maybe that's the thing. Putting that there. Should I put away my animal stuff? Everything has me questioning everything right now. So I'm gonna put this in the trash. All this stuff's gonna go into memory lane. This box is filled with dried up flowers, which I love. I'm gonna keep that there as my, oh, this is also trash. I ran out of, I had a sleeping problem, so I bought, not sponsored, but I bought these Sleep and Recharge melt away mints. Tasted amazing. I'm out, so let's hope my insomnia does not come back tonight. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Oh, also, forgot to tell you, I found a bag of hair. And it's actually my hair. It's my extensions. For when I'm trying to look like a girl and look all cutesy and feminine. Here are my extensions. Which will be going in my storage box of hair that I have up in my closet. So, there's that. Will I finish this today? I have to, so I'm gonna empty out my other box. I want to see what the hell I have over here. Alright, I have my favorite axolotl. It was a birthday gift to like 2 years ago. My favorite birthday of all time. Well, this goes in memory lane. Fork and film will be memory lane. This receipt will go in trash. These things will go in here. $5. Literally knockout. That's jewelry for my nose that I low-key might put in. Little chain. Should be in the bathroom. Should be in the bathroom. A little bag for, what am I gonna do with this? Throw it away. Memories, this is memories. This should be thrown and cut. Bathroom, and then my baby's toys, aka my animal toys. All this should go in the bathroom, I feel. But I didn't even use this stuff. Like, I don't think I'm gonna ever use this stuff. Maybe the nail glue I will. But I remember I bought this for a shoot. Interesting. My cards. I'll put all my cards in here. AKA. Damn. Y'all want to see one of my worst photos of all time? Who the fuck was that? Oh my gosh. Who let me go outside like that? Respectfully. Who let me go outside like that? I'm gonna clean up for a bit and then we'll carry on. So the vision didn't really come together too well. So I had an idea and I thought I thought my room was bigger than it was, or B, underestimated how big my furniture actually was, aka my bed. Because I don't have a big bed, but I do have a full, so it's like 2 queens together. And two twins sized beds put together, as one might say. So also those are the plushies, the Plushmallows stuff, my depression pillows. But yeah, so underestimated it a little bit, so things are more together than I thought, and I thought I was gonna have more walking room, but I guess not. And I guess for the future I really want, oh, why do I look like Quinn Blackwell in that one video? But yeah, so for the future, when I want to get carpet and stuff, I think we're gonna have to go with really thin and narrow carpets, but long-ish. Let's see if I can get something like that somewhere. This is the placement of the desk. My desk is literally tiny because I thought I need to buy tiny furniture for this tiny room. And now I'm realizing nothing matters because of how big this bed is. But I can't get a smaller bed because I'll be very uncomfortable. So this is the smallest bed possible that I could get without feeling uncomfortable. But yeah, also we'll do a fridge restock very soon. So close video, note to self, note to editor, aka me. Yeah, now I have to redo my stand. That's my cat. I have to redo my TV stand. And fun fact, my TV stand wasn't a TV stand. When you're broke, you're broke. And we found at the 99-cent store a shoe rack, a wooden shoe rack, and it was literally good price. And so I was like, low key, my TV could fit on that. And it comes with all these cubbies, so storage. So yeah, right now I'm just having to reorganize all of this so that it faces this way so that I have access to it. So that's where we are right now. Also, look, my Lego flowers. If y'all want to send me Legos, I'll I'll make a Lego video because that's my secret pleasure is Legos. So yeah. Of working hard as one can work on this. It's not fully clean-ish. I still have some, we'll go through it. And I will go through it. Let me first turn on all the systems. I hate this right here, but we'll figure out a better place for that. There's still some trash everywhere, so please keep in mind. But I'll show you guys the room. So, gonna have to record this on Snap because my phone's being weird, but yeah, just reminder stuff. This case, I want to change it and do something new, give this back to my family friend. Lego flowers. I like that I was able to put both of my flags. So this is the lovers taro, I don't know. And then this is a Memento Mori Unus Annus flag. So glad to have that. My computer setup's gonna be here next to the fridge so I can snack and stream with y'all. This was an annoying little corner of space, but I'm like, low-key, this perfectly can fit my like tripod. So that's good. AC very much needed. This little 2 drawers I'm gonna use as nightstands on both ends. And low key, I don't know if I want to keep the canopy or take it off. Cause is it doing too much? Does it make the room feel smaller? Like, or should I just take it down? Literally, please help me fix my room. properly, guys. Any opinions welcomed. This is the TV stand. I moved everything to face me so that I could have access to it, as well as this I low-key want to change because like one of the wheels is broken and it just looks too cluttered, so I low-key want to change it to like another bookcase or like a record player stand specifically so that I could have my records and the record player. I decided to hang up my mirror. I know I look like shit. Please don't talk about it. But I decided to hang up this mirror because it saves up more space. But yeah, and then on this other side is my other nightstand, my bed, and then bottom of my bed is a bunch of giant storage bins. So this is what we're working with. So I low-key want to get a little rug, thin rug here, and then maybe a rug for my desk area maybe, or is that too much? I don't know. So that was that. Literally, you guys have any opinions or any recommendations on how I should move things, where I should place things, furniture that would fit me better at a nice cost, poor favor, a nice budget cost, very much would appreciate that. Once again, I am looking awful because I have been doing and moving everything. Oh, don't know what that was. Ignore that. But yeah, my main thing is literally I just want to have a room that fits all my things because I'm not a hoarder. I have literally thrown out stuff, so all of these things are like my essentials. So if any recommendations on how I can fit all my stuff properly while still having somewhat space and not feeling too cramped, that would be great. But that's for redecorate my room with me. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, leave a comment saving me, please. I need advice, I need help, poor favor. Or does it look good? Does it look good, or am I just paranoid? But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. See you guys in the next one.